Hello dear friends, viewers, and subscribers. In this video, I will show you how I modernized the green lighting of this car into a modern white one. As we know, Skoda Octavia used to have a green logo, and their entire style was focused on the color green. But times change, and now the logo has changed, but the lighting remains green. So, what am I going to do? I will disassemble this unit and proceed with replacing the LED. That's all we need, friends. It's easy and simple. The main thing is the desire. This is before and this is after. As you can see, it became more beautiful and modern. So, let's start dismantling the part. First and foremost, let's examine the block and then proceed with disassembly. All the parts are disassembled, as you can see. I simply need to replace all the LEDs on this board. Friends, first of all, mark the plus and minus on this board before soldering off the LEDs. You need to determine the polarity. Next, I need to desolder all the LEDs and solder in the new ones. I am showing all of this for you, so that every Skoda owner can do it themselves. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave comments, and I will be happy to answer any questions. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next content. After desoldering all the LEDs, we proceed with soldering the new LEDs. I chose white LEDs. I'll indicate the markings on the screen. Once again, friends, pay close attention to the polarity of the LEDs. For example, if you mix up the plus and minus, the LED simply won't turn on. Next, friends, watch how it's done and repeat. It's much easier than it seems. This car is my first time doing it, but I have a lot of experience in soldering, so I do it better. But anyone can do it. Once again, friends, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as it helps us develop our content and motivates us to do more and better. As it is evident, soldering LEDs is very easy and simple. The key things are attentiveness and polarity. After desoldering all the LEDs, we assemble everything in reverse order and enjoy the result. Friends, please leave comments sharing your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. So, dear viewers, this is the outcome. In reality, it looks very beautiful and modern.